Welcome back. Today I'm going to be testing a product that I've never tried before. It's called the Effasol Color Remover by L'Oreal. I haven't had luck with hair color removers in the past. I've tried Color Oops and it smells completely awful and it does not work. So I'm hoping that this one will actually work. From what I've seen online, people say it's pretty promising. People love the results, so I'm going to see for myself. So there's 4 sets of directions depending on how much color is left in your hair and what kind of lift you would like. So you would use 1 whole packet mixed with 2 fluid ounces of warm deionized water if you want to remove a light excess of permanent color, dark spots, or unwanted excess of unwanted tones for 15 to 20 minutes. You would do the same thing for light shades of permanent color from level 7 to 9, only you would leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. For medium shades of permanent color from level 4 to 6, you would use 1 whole packet mixed with 2.5 ounces of 20 volume developer and leave on for 20 to 35 minutes. For dark shades of permanent color from level 1 to 4, you would make the same mixture, but you would leave it on for 50 minutes to an hour. Oh great, one of my snake bites fell out while I was talking. Oops. So because my hair is a lot lighter on the top half, I'm going to be doing the developer mixture on the bottom and the water mixture on the top and see if there's any noticeable difference or which one works better. Right now, I'm just going to comb out my hair and then I'm going to divide it into about halves. Now that we have the 2 halves separated, I'm going to start with the top half, which is going to be the water mixture. I'm starting with the water mixture because I think it's going to be a lot safer leaving that mixture in my hair for longer. Don't you just love it when you're trying to open a packet and then your nail pops off? Nothing is going right, huh? So I have my warm water right here and I'm going to pour it into my bowl because it has measurements on it and it's going to let me know where the 2 ounces are. Safety first. Alright, now I'm going to add the packet to my bowl and mix it up. So here's what it looks like. It looks and smells like regular lightener, and it also burns my eyes just like regular lightener. The mixture seems a bit thin. I hope I did this correctly, but like I said, I've never used this before. Alright, whether it's correct or not, I'm going to put it in my hair now. It also says on the packet not to get this on any new growth or any untinted hair, so that means I'm going to have to avoid my roots. Now I'm going to move on to the bottom half, which is the developer mixture. So far it doesn't look like much of anything is happening to my hair. I like the way this is applying a lot better than the last mixture. I feel like I can already see a difference with this one. It looks like it's already working. Wow. Honestly, I'm actually pretty impressed with how quickly this is working. So I'm a little worried with the top right now because it doesn't seem like it's working that well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this mixture to it so I can see and feel that my hair is getting pretty damaged, but it wasn't in great condition anyway. So I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes before I decide to rinse it out and see if I can get any more lift. So it has been exactly 1 week after my first application of the color remover. I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm really happy with the way it came out already. I'm just gonna touch up parts of my hair that still have too much color. This time I'm only gonna use the developer mixture. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes before I rinse my hair out, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the results when my hair is washed and dried. So here are the final results. As you can see, pretty much all of the dye has been stripped off my hair, and I'm very happy with the results. So if you're looking for a hair color remover, I definitely recommend this. I think it worked so well. If you're gonna use it though, I think you should use the developer mixture. You can get this on Amazon for about $8, which is what I did, or you can get a 2-pack for about $12. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you soon.